Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Shari para more another reading, and this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross watchers ni Cancer at yung mga bago po natin mga viewers. Tignan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe na ating pong mababasa para sa iyo, Cancer, at sa person mo. I'm leaving. I'm ready to leave a situation or mindset that has not served me and hinder my growth. Okay, so Cancer, sinasabi mo, aalis ka na. Handa ka na para umalis sa isang sitwasyon o sa isang pag-iisip na hindi naman nagdulot sa iyo ng kabutihan, no? Bagkos ito ay nagbigay lang ng kung gaba pagpigil sa iyong paglaki, sa yung asenso, sa mature mo, no, as a person. Kaya tama lang na nag-decide ka na it's about time to move on, to move forward, to, kung gaba parang sabihin natin, if you are in a relationship right now and you feel na this is not really serving you in terms of yung happiness na re-receive mo o yung nararamdaman mo, then might as well say, iwan na natin, no? It's time to move on. Of course, if you are already committed, no, if you're married, medyo mas complicated yun kasi it's not an easy situation to be in. And it's not an easy situation to be out. Kasi, syempre, there are other people involved dito sa relationship na to. That is why you have to be considerate of their emotions and their thinking as well. Okay? Jumping card is the Hierophant. We have the Ace of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Three of Wands, the World, and the Chariot. Sa kabilang side, we have the Six of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, the Devil, Death, the Hierophant, and the World. Okay, Cancer. Now, bago tayo mag-umpisa, sabihin ko lang na this is the side that I chose para sa'yo, Cancer. But if the cards doesn't resonate with you, then please go to the other side of the card, of the other side of the reading, no? Yung mga cards na to. Kung ito yung mas nagre-resonate sa'yo kaysa sa ito. And it only means na kung ito yung card na to, hindi para sa'yo, then this is for your person. Okay? So, ganun lang. just take this which side resonates, and then yun lang po yung gagawin nyo. Okay? Kasi there are people who will say na hindi naman yan para sa akin kasi yung sinabi mo para do sa person ko. Then please just take what resonates, and then that's it. No? Ganun po siya pagdating sa mga reading. Now, here, Cancer is the Hierophant. I want to show you, may Hierophant dito sa side na to, and may Hierophant dito sa kabilang side. They're both the same. Hierophant is all about marriage. It's all about commitment, relationship. Okay? And if you are leaving, then it means you are just saying the truth, no? Sinasabi mo lang yung katotohanan with the Ace of Swords. Kung gaba parang na-realize mo na it's about time to be honest about this. Sabihin ko na, paalam ko na hindi ko na kaya. I need to leave. I cannot take this anymore. With the Eight of Wands, ang daming communication, no? Daming pag-uusap. I think prior to this decision of leaving, nag-usap naman kayo eh. You keep discussing about this kasi with the Three of Wands, you've been waiting for such a long time. Matagal na yung pinag-intay mo. Na dumating yung isang araw na to na maybe na makaalis na dito sa relationship na to. Because what? Andito na yung world eh. The universe. It's the world. Pakita ko na naman. You have the world in your side and the world on the other side. So, dalawang world. Dalawang Hierophant, dalawang world. So, both cards are saying it is an ending. May pagtatapos. May pagtatapos talaga. But this ending would start a new cycle for both of you. Kung magtatapos man itong relationship na to between the two of you, may mag-umpisa naman kayong panibagong buhay. Separately, of course. But it would mean not the end, but another life, another cycle. Okay? Because here, dito sa side na to, we have the Chariot. The decision is to move forward, no? Ang decision is, I just need to move forward. I cannot stay here any longer kasi I need to move forward. Yun yung decision eh. And that's the truth. Yun yung sinasabi mo. You've been waiting for this to move forward, no? Inintay mo to ng matagal na panahon para makamove forward ka. Now we're on the other side. We have the Six of Swords. I think you were trying your best to fix the relationship. Kung gaba para magkaroon kayo ng peaceful grounds. Na magkaayos kayo. Maayos natin to. Kasi, you know, the Ten of Pentacles is yours. All about your family. It's all about us. You, me, the children, the house, the car, the money, everything. No? Lahat ito, lahat. Pinag-uusapan natin lahat. And I guess, dahil nga sa naramdaman natin, the relationship is not really that well, no? Hindi siya mabuti. That is a fact, no? Yun yung katotohanan. Kasi with the devil energy, you felt so tied up with each other na parang to a point na naka-chain kayo sa isa't isa. Pero hindi naman talaga kayo nakatali eh. Kung gaba parang nakasakbit lang. Pwede naman yung alsin. But the energy between the two of you is really Hindi love eh. Something that is not pleasant at all. Kaya, ang nangyayari is, nagkaroon ng death, an ending, another ending. An ending that needs change, no? May pagbabago, you need to transform. Kailangan magkaroon ng pagbabago yung inyong relationship. I think you were trying to do that, pero wala talaga eh. Kaya nga naapektuhan yung inyong relationship eh, yung marriage. If you're married, no, I think you are, kasi we have the 10 of Pentacles here. Again, the world, an ending. Dalawang ending ang sinasabi dito. We have the death and the world. Parehong may ending yan. Ito yung ending na kailangan magbago. Ito yung ending na may panibagong cycle na mangyayari. Mag-uumpisa muli, in other words. May pag-uumpisa muli. So let us see kung ano yung conclusion. We have Temperance. We have the Queen of Swords, and the Five of Coins. Temperance is all about balancing. It's all about harmony. Okay? I think that this is what was lacking, na walang harmony. And with the Queen of Swords, ito yung talagang hindi siya magkakaroon ng second thoughts, alsin ka sa buhay niya. Kung nakikita niya hindi na nasa-serve yung purpose ba ng relationship. Kung gawa sanay siya na makipaghiwalay, no? Makipaghiwalay talaga. Bakit? Kasi with the Five of Coins, alam mong hindi ka nabigyan ng importansya. You weren't given the proper love and affection. What you deserve, no? In a relationship. Hindi ka nabigyan ito eh. Kung gawa binaliwala ka, ginawa ka lang option. Ginawa kang, sabihin natin na pangalawa, o panakip butas, o whatever reason person na to. But the thing is, hindi ka naging priority. Okay, tingnan natin si Angel, kung ano yung masasabi niya. We have wait. No need to worry. And within the next few weeks. So, ang sinasabi dito, if you're gonna leave, then you have to wait for a while. Huwag agad. But of course, you don't need to worry. Wala ka namang no need to worry kung talagang aalis ka na. And probably it will happen within the next few weeks. Okay? Pinag-iintay ka lang maybe because maybe there were things that needs to be ironed out kung kailangan pa ayusin. But it will happen within the next few weeks. And wala kang dapat ipangamba. Okay? Both of you are really unhappy. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Malungkot kayo pareho. You were not, kung gaba parang, you were frustrated dito sa relationship na to. Pareho kayo eh. You wanted parang a new cycle, panibago. Magbago naman. No? Maybe you thought this was the one kasi ito yung pinakasalan mo, no? But it didn't work out. The relationship is not working. Naapektuhan yung marriage. Same here, the other side. Naapektuhan yung relationship, and somehow you want to move forward, no? Gusto mo mag-move forward. Matagal ka na nag-iintay na makapag-move forward. So kung kanino mang Cancer itong na-pick up natin na energy, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.